So we turn on our digital cone. We check our system troubleshoot setting. We see we have our settings the way we want them. We'll go to troubleshoot. And we'll move out, say our truck is on, just in this case, I'm on serial 8, and the cone is on 5, and we will toggle the trigger light, and we can see the light come on and off on our yellow box, and we can also see as we move our depth marker that those depth A and B are oscillating. That means our signal is getting all the way to our software. So we'll say return, and we'll say OK, and we'll start a test. Cone is found. It gives us the cone data. We'll name a test, just a test 5. And we've selected some channels to be recorded, and we'll say OK. Now, in order to commence, we have to take a baseline, and because I have no clamp hooked up, you have to have the clamp light go green in order to record data. The clamp has to go green, whether you've got an automatic data acquisition tie-in or you manually turn the clamp on and off. See, now I have turned the clamp on by switching it to manual, and then I can turn the clamp off and on with the toggle clamp button. So now we've taken a baseline already, so now we hit start. We get our depth indication in the window, and we are clamped, so now we can start moving our depth marker. And that didn't go, so we're going to untoggle, and I'm going to get some depth out the other way, and we're going to clamp. And see, I was going the wrong direction. I'm using a string pot at this point, but with the roller you get the same thing. If you go in the wrong direction, you'll not get data. In order to collect data depth, you have to have the green clamp light on, reference right here. So we can turn it off. I can restage the depth marker. I turn the clamp back on, and I have depth. Try these steps. I believe we are missing something either in the start sequence or in the clamp sequence, and then you should be running fine. And I'll stop, and I'll stop recording.